Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable.
Well, me tell you already, say dancehall is like a soap opera, a real live soap opera, and every single week there is new characters who take the spotlight. And this week it's none other than the Angel, Beenie Man, and him. Well, actually me can't even say him girlfriend, Crystal, because Crystal is not the kind who is all up in the gossip and drama on social media. But however, she is drawn into this whole thing by association. Yeah. So it is alleged, we don't know if it's true because after all, we never did it. But it is alleged that Crystal is pregnant. You understand? So Crystal is pregnant. Them say, so me hear from, doing research and thing, them say Crystal, which is Beenie Man's girlfriend, is pregnant and have a little Beenie Man on the way. So apparently the Angel, who claims she and Crystal has no beef, no feud, no kind of drama nor confusion on several occasions. The Angel said that. She said she has no kind of discrepancies with Crystal, and Crystal came out and said it is not her style to go on social media and cause drama and answer gossip and feuds and all of that. But apparently today, the Angel, who's the one, as I said before, who's the one who always says she has no problem with Crystal, who is Beenie Man's present girlfriend. No, wait, my mistake up in right there and tell you no. Remember now, the Angel is still legally Beenie Man's wife. Alright, for all who didn't know that. So the drama, the soap opera today is that the Angel posted a photo on Instagram. And wait, me I go show you what the photo look like. The photo, me say the photo. Me I go show you what the photo look like, and then me I go make you hear what the caption read that the Angel wrote under the photo. Look upon the picture up on the screen. Lord God, this is what the Angel posts up, alright? So, Angel posted a picture there on her IG, and under that picture, Angel wrote the caption, "This is how the first lady takes selfies while waiting on your baby father." Laughing emoji, laughing emoji, laughing emoji, laughing emoji. Alright, now after Angel posted that on her IG, the people them in our comment section went in, and we are talking about them never have no mercy upon Angel. You know you have the few we are take Angel side, but the people them never have no mercy upon Angel. One commenter said, "Listen, a grown respectable woman would never act the way you act on social media. You understand? You need to act grown up." And next person commenter and say, "Yo, is still your husband, but act mature. At the end of the day, the man left you and him now come back." Yo, me I tell you, the people them go in hard pan the Angel after she post a picture there and write what she write with her bunch of laughing emojis. You see me I say, now my take on this whole thing, you know me I go give you my 5 cents. You understand? The Angel is still wife. You understand? Wife or wife. The Angel is still wife. But however, the artist don't move on and gone to Crystal. Crystal seems like a nice respectable lady. The Angel need for just let that go to and move on and go find herself a nice man too. You see me I say, because at the end of the day, Beenie don't move on. Remember a couple months ago, Beenie Man show a little shade, and well, him never really show a little shade. Him just show him woman respect and say, "Boy, the Angel that not appropriate." On the stage when time they go dance and thing, and the Angel try wind up on the artist, and the artist and just sidestep her a little bit. You understand? Watch out now, man. Me I say, Angel, big up yourself still. Me rate you as an artist, but low Beenie Man. You see me? Real talk. Now me I try to figure out if Crystal I go answer the one or she just I go make it blow over as she usually does. Because remember, Beenie Man own daughter Disha Ravers this Crystal. Beenie Man own daughter Disha Ravers come out and say, yo, she can't stand Crystal, she don't like Crystal, and she just don't rate Crystal. And Crystal just didn't even bother to raise her eyebrow at Disha. You understand? The Crystal hear the rumors of the Angel, and even Dr. Love styling Crystal, saying Crystal I try to stop the Angel from getting bookings and all of that, and Crystal did not raise her eyebrow at Dr. Love nor the Angel. So me I try to figure out right now if Crystal is even going to answer this little shade where the Angel chew at her. You understand what I say? Or she just gonna just leave it and just say, "Cho, this is just another hype, another social media thing, and I'm not gonna get drawn or call out in this situation." You understand? No, me have to say hats off to Crystal because she's strong. You see me I say, despite everybody attack about her, when I say everybody, I mean the Angel and the people them were like gossip gossip. You understand? Despite everybody at talk about her, Crystal just not raising her eyebrow at nobody. Crystal now waste no time. Crystal just doing what she does best and make her money and be a nice professional lady. So big up yourself, Crystal. You understand? No wonder other and the angel has Mr. Mariette as an artist. You say, I'm so blessed, I'm so stress-free, and I'm happy. Them not happy like me. Are you want to that, you know? So what you know? If you know say you're blessed, you know say you're stress-free, you know say you're happy, and nobody not happy like you, no go up on social media and go through no shade. Just go on, hold your head high and do your thing, do your music, and go on, live your life. You understand what I say? Beenie, I live him life. Crystal, I live her life. Make everybody go and live them life and just don't throw no shades. If Beenie get Crystal pregnant, so be it. I'm girl. Make sure you have a baby for your man. Yeah, I used to tell a wife until on a divorce. Yes, but at the end of the day, Beenie don't move on. Make it stay there. So watch another one. It's another one from Unstoppable. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And no matter what, don't make nobody stop you.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.